What's the meaning of buffet? Buffet. Buffet.
Buffet. Buffet. The term buffet has several meanings, but its most common usage refers to a type of meal service in which food is laid out on a table or counter and guests serve themselves. This method of dining is popular in restaurants, hotels, and other food service establishments, and the range of dishes offered can vary widely depending on the location and occasion. Buffet meals are often associated with all-you-can-eat establishments, where patrons pay a flat fee for unlimited servings. The word buffet can also refer to a violent blow or collision, as well as a piece of furniture used for storing and displaying dishes.